Hello, and welcome to this unit on reviewing past literature for your research. In this module, you'll learn how to conduct a comprehensive literature review that not only explores existing work, but also helps you identify gaps and justify your own study. Drawing on key guidance from PM Chapters 8, 10, and 20, we'll walk you through effective strategies for searching, analyzing, and synthesizing scholarly sources, so you can build a clear, credible, and compelling foundation for your research problem, question, and objectives. A comprehensive literature search involves using academic databases, journals, and scholarly repositories to find relevant sources. Ensure your literature search sources are current, credible, and directly related to your research topic. For example, a literature search on digital learning should include studies on digital pedagogy, e-learning technologies, and student engagement from trusted education journals. Evaluating the literature means critically assessing sources for their methodologies, findings, and relevance to your research problem. As part of literature evaluation, look for trends, contradictions, and gaps across multiple studies. An example of evaluating literature would be comparing studies on classroom technology to identify areas of agreement and topics needing further research. Synthesis of literature involves combining insights from various studies to build a clear picture of the research landscape. Use literature synthesis to show how existing research informs your own research question and objectives or hypotheses. Building a coherent argument means structuring your review to move from general background to clearly identified research gaps. Ensure your research narrative highlights how existing literature justifies the need for your study and guides your focus. Some practical tips for structuring your literature review include using subheadings and thematic sections to improve clarity. Each structured section should link the reviewed literature to your research components, such as the problem, question, or objectives. For instance, you can structure your literature integration around themes like implementation challenges, benefits, and outcomes in digital learning, tying them to your research focus. To wrap up, remember that a strong literature review does more than summarize existing studies. It creates a well-structured narrative that frames your research within the broader academic conversation. By applying the approaches outlined in PM Chapters 8, 10, and 20, you'll be equipped to search for relevant sources, critically analyze their value, and integrate them into a coherent argument that supports your research. This thoughtful engagement with past literature ensures your work is both grounded and meaningful, highlighting its significance in your field. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your research journey.